too wet outside to do anything. Touch the gas at all and I'm spinning. Try not to have that happen to me. If it was dry out, I could probably get on it more, but well, guys, as you can see, my plans have been ruined. I was hoping just to hop on the highway and loop around and head back home, but apparently the universe had other ideas, and what was supposed to be maybe a 20-minute drive turned out to be an hour because this highway, for whatever reason, has almost standstill traffic. I guess I'll get back to you guys after I get off the exit. I mean, I don't know. I was planning on just making it all the way down here, hitting the exit, and then just driving back home. Alright, hopefully you guys can hear me alright. Finally made it out. Though a lot of people are trying to cut me over, or cut me off on the shoulder. And I was having a little bit of an attitude about it. Wasn't really a great experience, but at least we're out of it and we're heading back home. It's been a pretty crappy day so far, not gonna lie. Just non-stop rain, and I swear every single time I wash my car it just has to downpour, or like some landscaping crews have to come by and just blow all the crap all over my car. I'm really not used to doing vlog type content where I nobody else really to talk to. Just here talking to myself. Normally when I'm driving, I'm just blasting the crap out of my music. Volume all the way up, windows down. But, you know, I don't think that's something you guys would enjoy, so. It's a little sketchy driving right here. Third gear, I press it and I just start kicking out sideways. Can feel the rear end getting loose. Alright, now we gotta make this turn. And today sucks. I wonder if that's what the cause of the traffic was. What do you think? Because I saw on the map, like right here, when I was looking earlier, there was an accident like right here, because we just got off and we're getting back on here. So I wonder if that's what that was. Anyway. And I always wondered, on a day like this, like on a Sunday, where are all of these people going? Like, Florida's already bad enough with the weather, but then you got all these people everywhere. Like, where are each of these people going? The truckers are one thing, but like, it's just crazy to think that each of these people is going somewhere. Like, each person here has a destination. They're all living their own lives, you know? All right, I'm about to say bye to our friend. Are you letting us go? I'm not brave enough to take that, to be honest with you. I can't see the other cars. All right, well. I find really weird too. I don't know if anybody else does this. Anybody else out there that has a car with an exhaust system on there, or a car that's loud at all? Sometimes when I'm driving and I'm just carrying out one gear, I'll find myself humming to the sound of the exhaust without even thinking about it, just involuntarily just humming to the exhaust. I find it really weird when I do that. When I catch myself doing that, I'm like, that's kind of... But it just feels like it's just natural, like I do it without even thinking about it. I wonder if anybody else does that, or if I'm just weird. I got the exhaust on this car too. I used to love just being loud right next to people. Like, there's a car right there like that. I would just love being really loud right next to them. And the longer I've had it, because I've had this car for, I don't know, 5 years, maybe almost 6. That's crazy. Didn't feel like it's been that long, but I used to really be, you know, I thought it was fun to just be loud next to people, and you can hear the sound bounce off of the car next to you, especially if it's like a semi next to you. I always thought it was really cool, but now, since I've had it for a while and I'm more used to it, I'm a little bit more conscientious of it, and I try to be a little bit more respectful. But I don't know if that's attributed to me actually growing up as a person, or if that's just me getting used to the exhaust, or I don't know. But I just find that funny. I remember right when I got the exhaust on this car, I had one guy in my neighborhood who was threatening me on the neighborhood forums because I was being loud and driving like a punk, even though I was, but it was fun at the time. You know, it was a new car, it was a new exhaust. And now, you know, I try to be somewhat quiet because I'm sure my neighbors are just sick of hearing it. As much as I love hearing it, you know, part of me understands that you can't expect other people to also enjoy hearing it all the time. What was that sound? I don't know. But, yeah. There's also this weird sound with my exhaust too. Like, I don't know if it's actually an exhaust leak, because my exhaust makes some sounds. Like, I can't tell if it's the mufflers or the over axle pipes. They'll rattle. Like, I hear a rattling sound in the back, and it's pretty hard to figure out where it's coming from, because it only happens when I'm driving and at certain RPM ranges, I guess would be the best way to say it. I really think it's obviously just a vibration thing. So I think while I'm decelerating in a gear, I'll hear this rattling sound, and I guess when it hits this resonant frequency, it'll just start rattling and making this weird sound. And other than that, I'll also get, like, I can hear it now. I don't know if you guys can actually hear it. You probably can. But it sounds like air escaping. So I'm assuming it's some sort of exhaust leak, which isn't good, but I don't know. I'm getting kind of sick of this exhaust, to be honest with you. And I'm actually thinking about getting a full exhaust, because right now I only have the off-road H-pipe and the Course Extreme axle backs. So eventually I want to get like headers. I want to swap to the X-pipe, even though I like how both sounds, but I'm just kind of sick of the H-pipe. So long tubes, X-pipe, over axle pipes, and then the axle back. And I would like to do that. And if this problem is with the exhaust I have on there, it'll get rid of it. I got sideways just letting out the clutch in first gear. That's crazy. This is why, and it was worse. Right when I bought this car, the tires were horrible. And these are 285s on the back. And right when I got the car, I think they had 255s on the back, and they were really crappy tires. And I was sliding in every single gear. It was, especially when it rained, if it was wet, I was just sliding all over the place. It was horrible.